welcome back to Primetime News. In this evening's edition of the Business Review, we feature former marketing and logistics expert who has launched a cleaning agents company. Aisha Nation has this story.
We specialize in household items, yes, cleaning agents, yes, and that's what we're currently doing now. We distribute detergent to different supermarkets, to different wholesales, yes, and if corporate areas like offices, yes, we go ahead and sell those areas likewise. So it's all about cleaning agent.
And an interesting way of coming up with a company name.
When I went to register to register the company, yes, the name that I have in mind, someone else already have it. So the line was long behind me, and I'm here trying to come up with a name on spot. It wasn't working out, so I called my wife. And she's quick. So she said, Shakabs. Somebody said, what is that? I couldn't even pronounce it. Yes, I said, spell it.
Barrington Salmon is owner of the company. The company has rapidly emerged as a key player in the cleaning industry and is now available on the shelves in over 20 stores across the country. Mr. Salmon is hoping it will become a household name. The one-year-old company started with $200,000, 6 products, and is now seeing more than 100% increase in revenues with close to 10 employees. As for his strategy,
even though you have an idea what the market is like, you're going where the big boys are, so you have to be cautious when you're spending money, and by such, and I see how the market take off with those 6. I said, yes, man. So I expand the line of detergent, of disinfectant, and by such, folks gravitate to it, supermarkets gravitate to it, the wholesale gravitate to it.
He says a boost in sales came as a result of a number of cleaning agents being recalled from the market. The product just came in time to fill the demand gap.
When the idea, really ripe within, so to speak, I speak with some of these supermarkets, and they were willing to come on board to give me the strength, so to speak, to take my products. It wasn't much at the time because some of them will take out like one case. We're not so sure because we know you. We're not so sure about this because people don't really like new brands. But by me introduce it even to the folks that work in the supermarket, like the cashier, I just give it away. Just write off 3 to 4 cases. I said, give me a feedback when I come next week.
And he used the feedback to improve the brand. Shakabs outsources the manufacturing products to skilled mixers who produce the products according to his instructions. And he has big dreams for the company.
We're looking and to expand the line, yes, in terms of like going in powder soaps and blue soaps and so on. We're in dialogue with some companies right now, local companies. Yes, and we just continue communicating with them. But where we're at right now, location-wise, we're planning to move, yes, because taking on those additional products are expanding the line of products, range of products that we have now. We're definitely going to need space.
For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.